time to meet with us today. First, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Stephanie Tokya from Stream 222. We are here to conduct an interview about leadership. So if it's okay to you, sir, can you provide some information or background about yourself?
I'm Sir Francis Villamora, and I am a faculty member from General Department, and also working with the research office. And I'm from Palo, but I am currently residing here in this beautiful town of Burauen.
So now, we will start asking questions, sir. First, what is your definition about leadership?
Leadership is, leadership is Right. A leader is someone who is willing to offer himself to be able to lead with wisdom, and not just by mere purpose of giving commands and whatsoever, but it's different for me. When we say a leader, it differentiates from the definition of a boss.
Yes.
Because being a boss is someone who just commands, take orders, and just keep on asking for his peers, or his members to do something for him or for something. But when we say leader, he himself is the one who does the job, passionately works the job that he is into. So technically, that's how I define who a leader is.
So, second question, sir. What was the hardest decision you made while being a leader?
Well, they say when you become a leader, they say when you become a leader, don't be too attached with the people that you are with, knowing that when you get too attached with those people you are with, there will be a lot of difficulties that you will encounter. In other words, when you get too much familiarity, with people that you are with, there will be a lot of problems that you will encounter. Well, on my part, as you were asking what are my experiences, I am running, and me and my partner is running a business. And I consider being an entrepreneur, I consider myself also as a leader. If you could observe, for some entrepreneurs, they don't get themselves attached with their employees, and that's because when you get too attached with your employees, you get to know their problems. But on my part, there are a lot of happenings which I, as a leader of a business, encountered the problems of my employees, which actually has been my problem because But as for other people, but technically when you become a leader, I believe you need to know what their problems as well, to meet their problems as well. I am aware of that, but it's one of the hardest part of being a leader, on how you can be able to handle these kinds of situations that supposedly that you should not be meddling with the problems that they are in. So technically, it's more on when I encounter problems, it's because of too much familiarity.
Yes, sir. The next question, sir. What was the consequences of those decisions and how did you overcome them?
Consequences of too much familiarity. The consequences of knowing actually, knowing a lot of details from them, knowing about their problems, is actually what I just mentioned. That's because of too much familiarity. Say for example, on our part, when you got to know their problems, you are malleable actually. Say for example, on my part as an entrepreneur, kung nautang kira, makuri bungaribay, kaya naman, you are already familiar with them. And if you compare it with Chinese entrepreneurs, what they only do is magsugol ani this, buhate ito. They don't get to ask how's your day, what's your problem. That's because in that case, mo rin na utang ng mga empleyado, mga bossing. Kay ito nga, there is a gap. There's a large gap between a leader or an employer and an employee. In that case, your question, a leader and the member.
So the last question, sir. What is your advice on how to be a better leader?
Well, to become a leader is actually is very challenging. Let me get this example. It's easy for you to become a student leader. It's easy to run for a position in SSG, say for example. But the question is, what's the reason? What's the real reason why you wanted to be on that position? Is it because you really want to help the students, or is it just for the mere purpose of credentials? Because actually, in my previous encounters, there are some students who wish to run for a position, but has been only after with the credentials. So therefore, for leaders, they really have to take into consideration that being a leader is not an easy job. There are a lot of responsibilities that you have to be mindful with, and there are a lot of challenges that you will encounter, and you have to face it, and you have to confront. The best leader that we could have is that one who will be able to face challenges and not to run away.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for participating in this activity, sir.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you, sir.
TikTok na hikok yan.